Oh, damn it.
Oh, it's weather vaning.
That's what airplanes do, man.
Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, baby. Trying to figure it out.
We're recording. Okay, so tell me what we're looking at here.
We got the E-Flite Stagger Wing. The old, was it 480? E-Flite Stagger Wing 480.
Uh-huh. Is it a fighter?
No.
Oh, then cut the video. No, I'm just kidding.
Roll out.
Whatever you do, add more trim. Way more trim. Come on, all the rudder. I want all the rudder.
All the rudder.
Yeah.
That's not fast.
High velocity number. Here we go.
It looks good.